blizzard before Christmas? Major snow could hit IL. Bitter cold temperatures and strong winds are expected at the end of the week, plus a powerful winter storm. Illinois, quiet weather will start the week, but possible blizzard conditions could approach the Chicago area toward the end of the week. Monday will have a high of 30 degrees, with a chance of snow at night, mainly northwest of Interstate 55, according to the National Weather Service. Tuesday will also have a chance of flurries, with a high of 36 degrees. Tuesday night will be cold, with wind chills of 0 degrees possible, the Weather Service said. Wednesday will be cloudy and have a high of 32 degrees, and snow chances will begin to increase Wednesday night. The Weather Service said it is expecting significant winter weather from Thursday to Friday night. The National Weather Service Chicago said a powerful winter storm is forecast to hit the Chicago area, bringing wind-driven snow and possibly blizzard conditions. There is less confidence in the exact track of the winter storm, including how much snow the area could get, the Weather Service said. However, there is high confidence in dangerous cold, strong winds and blowing, drifting snow. AccuWeather said the pre-Christmas storm will coincide with frigid air that will bring one of the most intense and prolonged periods of Arctic air in decades during Christmas time. The Weather Service said the high for Thursday is 29, and the high for Friday is 14. Christmas Day could also have sub-zero temperatures. The Weather Service advised planning for alternate travel plans, if possible. The greatest hazard will be possible blizzard conditions from winds and blowing snow, according to the Weather Service. AccuWeather gave a poor travel outlook for all the Chicago area on Thursday and Friday, which are traditionally busy holiday travel days. Details on the track of the storm and specific snowfall amounts will be given in the coming days.